We are currently orbiting planet Earth.
I am picking up some noises.
Sounds like cool music.
Such a beautiful, such a beautiful, such a beautiful, beautiful world.
I'm the Earth, and for what it's worth, 25,000 miles is my girl. I got more than 10 people living on me, all across my amazing geography. To cover mountains, valleys, trees so tall. I've got lakes, rivers and waterfalls, volcanoes, craters, swamps with alligators, tropical islands at my equators. The North and South Pole have lots of ice. Polar bear says
This weather is nice.
I got so much land yet I'm so immense. I've got seven different continents. North and South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. But the biggest thing everybody can see that I got all over me. I've got oceans with lobsters, whales, otters. The continent is covering water. I orbit the sun. I'm so hot. That's his line. The moon orbits me. It's my time to shine. World of life and big and small. The most beautiful planet of all.
Such a beautiful, such a beautiful, such a beautiful, beautiful world.
It's the home to every boy and girl. It's a beautiful, beautiful world.
Such a beautiful, such a beautiful, such a beautiful, beautiful world. Such a beautiful, such a beautiful, such a beautiful, beautiful world.
I'm so hot.